is officially moving day today. I'm so excited. Oh my God, is that a snake? I don't know, it's bittersweet. I'm like happy to be moving in with Mitchell, but I'm also sad to leave my parents. I'm gonna miss my mom and dad. But I'm also excited to start this new chapter with Mitchell. I guess officially start adulting. Blinded by the light. First things first, I need coffee and food. So give me that right now, please. Oh, it didn't come. I guess I'm gonna have to get it. How do you do those little snappy things like this? And then it just... So while I wait for the movers, we don't have movers. While I wait for the people to bring our furniture, our couch and our bedroom set, I'm gonna start maybe putting some stuff in the dishwasher to get some stuff clean so I can put it away in the cabinets. Yesterday, which was Thursday, today's Friday. Thursday, I cleaned this whole kitchen, like literally deep cleaned it. Like I felt like Cinderella, but it needed it. So now everything's good to be washed and put back away, and that's what I'm gonna do. I think the people are here. Oh my God, it looks so good. Oh my God, it's amazing. Oh, I love it. Awesome. This is so pretty.
We did good.
We did good.
That headboard's awesome.
Yeah. It is so pretty. This is so cute.
Oh, okay.
Oh,
Yeah,
thank you.
Right. I wanted to know if you had that. That's what I was talking about.
So my car is packed to the gills, and now you're about to see a montage of me moving it out. Right now, you're sitting in a box because I haven't decided where to put you yet. So just give me a second. Here. All my boxes are gonna go for there right now. So just watch. I know, I'm so strong. See that squat? This is exhausting. The good thing is this is about half of everything that I own. Almost done. Two more boxes and I gotta go get another load. And by the way, this is just my stuff, not Mitchell's. Alright, last box. I unloaded my car, so now I'm gonna go back to my house and get some more clothes. Oh, actually, maybe I should empty some boxes, right? Yeah, okay, we'll just put in some more boxes. All right, I'll be back. So out of breath. Just gym now. So guys, this has been a fun experience. It definitely has been like not a stressful day. I thought it was gonna be a lot more stressful. Oh, there's a car right there. There's still like a lot more stuff to do. You know when you're like so stressed out, not stressed out, you're just like, yeah, stressed out, I guess. And you're just like, I have so much to do. What do I start with? And then you just end up sitting on the couch. That's what I've been doing for the past 3 hours. Because I was like, I should probably go get my clothes, or I should probably go start this, but then I'd start cleaning something, and then, I don't know. I just start doing random things besides doing what I probably should have done at the very beginning. We're gonna finish this up. I think we're gonna go to Halloween Horror Nights tonight. I know, we're crazy. We're moving all day. Like, we started so early in the morning, we're doing all this, and now we're going to Halloween Horror Nights. Balance. Work hard, play harder. Right? You see, I got my hair done. I don't know if you guys noticed. My girl hooked it up, Lexi. She's the bomb. Go follow her Instagram page. It's Lexi Rose Hair and Makeup. If you live in Orlando, you should definitely go to her. She's amazing. I'm gonna go load up my cars. I don't think you want to see another montage of me unpacking. I think I've done a couple montages today. Sometimes too many montages get boring. Okay, now I'm just talking. I don't even know what I'm saying. I'm just talking to talk, which that never happens, but whatever. What the hell am I saying?
3 hours later.
So my car is packed to the gills. Boxes in the back, some boxes in the trunk. So I'm gonna go unload this and then go back to my house and get some more stuff. Back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. Old house and my new house are so close together. I think it's literally like almost 2 miles. So it's like perfect. Because I'm not like going through any stoplights. Where like Mitchell has to go a little further. It's almost like 6-7 miles. But still, it's not that bad. It could be a lot worse. So I'm finishing up my last load. I'm gonna bring in my closet stuff. All I really have left is shoe boxes. I don't know if I'm gonna do that today. Oh, and my like winter coats, but like I said, I don't know if I'm gonna do that all today because we plan on going to Halloween Horror Nights tonight and you know, priorities. So we'll see, but I pretty much have all my clothes that I like absolutely need. The rest doesn't like really need to be here right now. So I'm gonna go unload and then you'll see me organize it all. So I'm just gonna organize all this because my camera's about to die. And then while my camera's charging, I'm gonna put my closet all together and then I'll show you the aftermath.
8:01 p.m.
Honestly, I kind of just threw my clothes in there just to like get it out of the way. I think I'm gonna save for another video of like how I actually organize it because I honestly just stuck like everything in my closet too. Like, I don't know how I'm gonna rearrange all this. And look, I told you, Mitchell has no clothes. Like, he has this whole bottom shelf. And I had to see if I could steal 2 of his drawers from his little dresser over here. I'm like, this is bad. I showered. I broke in our shower. It's very nice. Right now, I'm gonna start getting ready for Halloween Horror Nights. Today was kind of a crazy day. It was fun though. I'm officially moved out of my house. It's kind of sad. We actually had to wash our bed over at my mom's house because our dryer, like our new dryer that we got, has a different plug than the outlet that is in our laundry room. So we have to go get a new outlet for the dryer. So we can wash, but we can't dry. Me and Mitchell are washing our bed sheets at my mom's house. And then tonight I'm gonna go pick it up and make our bed and we're gonna sleep here tonight for the first night ever. So I'm all ready for Halloween Horror Nights, got my kitty ears on. So apparently after I showered, I used all the hot water and Mitchell had to take a really cold shower. And that was his first time taking a shower. I felt bad. All right, well, I'm just gonna end the vlog now because we're about to leave to go to Halloween Horror Nights. I just wanna say thank you guys so much for watching and I still am in awe that I hit 50,000 subscribers, and it just keeps going up. Like, it is so insane to me. There will definitely be more like house vlogs, especially right now because it's still hectic. Did I show you the couch? Oh my god, I never showed you the couch. Those are our fans. It's like an L-shaped couch, and like 3 of them recline, and then the headrests go back. Oh, and I'm so sorry I posted my video on Thursday. I ran into technical difficulties. For some reason, my video would not upload. Like, it just sat on 2% for hours. Forever, as Mitchell would say. So I will see you guys on Wednesday. Bye! Kitty ears on, so I know.
You filmed Taylor, are you serious?
What?
I'm freaking half naked.
Yeah, you can't even see you.
So,
You couldn't even see you.
well, still.
Hey, can you please pick up sheets from my house too? Okay, let's not be dramatic.